Hello, I have something to show you. This is a gear overview, my first official one, I suppose, if I remember correctly. And it is for the Nitecore Tube version 2.0. I'll go ahead and show you the specs. Look at that. Low mode, high mode. Could go over everything, but you can see 55 lumens, up to 25 meters, they say. High mode, low mode. Impact resistant up to a meter, which is about 3 feet. And it's waterproof up to a distance. As you can see, it's got a decent throw to it. So yeah, you can see around. This is on high mode. It's on the low mode in the garage. So pretty decent. I'm using this on my keychain as a daily carry. Please excuse the mess. And to give you a better sense of size, here it is next to the packaging, a Bic, a mini Bic, the lighter itself, a house key, and a quarter. So as you can see, it is pretty tiny. Don't actually remember if it came with this key ring or a different attachment. I'll be honest, because when I first opened the package, the pieces did kind of go flying. So I don't know if this came on it or if I put this on later. I've been carrying it for a few months now on my keychain. Also, it does have a USB charger here. Come on. There you go. So you can charge it up. That is sealed there. As you can see, it's a pretty decent seal. Of course, always with those little flaps, I'm always worried about the little connection in there that keeps the flap in. There's your button to go through the low and high modes. Of course, there's the LED bulb as well. Sleek little design, barely weighs anything, so you'll hardly notice it on your keychain. And I'll take it outside for a outside demo here in the backyard. Oh, and just in case you wanted to know, it weighs 11.1 grams, while a full-size Bic is 21.7. This has barely been used at all, so not much fuel is out of that, so it's almost a fully loaded Bic. While a quarter is 5.6, so it weighs just about as much as, almost as much as 2 quarters, so that's pretty light. All right, let's go take a look outside. Or actually, it weighs as much as one, just about as much as one mini Bic lighter. Okay, now I'll stop teasing you. Now we'll go outside. Okay, here we are outside. And we are on high mode. Low mode gives you just enough to kind of see what's just in front of you by a few feet. Maybe read what's on the table. And high mode is going to actually give you an actual view of what's ahead. So here we are on low, and here we are on high. So we can see the snow and sleet now coming down. So here it is, the Nitecore tube version 2. I haven't used version 1. I don't know at the time of this recording if there's a version 3, but I'll be sticking with this one until it wears out. I carry it, as I said, every day. I use it probably 2 or 3 times a week, very briefly. Very briefly is at times, so not long sessions of having the light on. And I've only charged it the initial time in that 2 months when I first got it. So it holds its battery life pretty good, as long as you don't, leave the light on. So as an EDC, I'd say it's pretty nice. It's pretty good. I like it. Thanks for watching. And this was purchased completely by me. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.